How are you all? I hope all are fine at your home. Today you are going to see the grammar part, that is degrees of comparison. It is very important topic in the grammar. Everybody from lower class to higher class, everybody should know about these degrees of comparison. So let us see what is a degrees of comparison. It's a grammatical concept that relates to using of adjectives or adverbs. Generally, these degrees of comparison, in essence, it is used to describe, modify, and quantify these adjectives and adverbs. There are three varying degrees of comparisons are there. Three varying degrees of comparisons, that are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So, in short, the degrees of comparison is the comparison between adjectives or adverbs. So, let us see what is a positive, comparative and a superlative degree with examples. The positive degree. Positive degree doesn't offer any comparison. Just it tells about the existence of the quality. How a quality is existed. Just there is no comparison. It tells about how an adjective is. So how the adjective like a fast, hot, cold, large, small, big, tall, etc. All these are adjectives. Next, comparative degree. So in the name itself we are having the compare. So a comparative degree compares the quality between two things. For example, let us see an example here. Here, these are the two things. This pencil is taller than this pencil. Here, the comparison occurred between two pencils. So the comparison, if the comparison occurs between two things or persons, then it is called comparative. Comparison between two qualities, two persons or things. Sita is taller than Geeta. Here the comparison is between two girls, Sita and Geeta. So here the comparison is between two pencils. This pencil, first pencil is taller than second pencil. Sita is taller than Geeta. So the comparison is between two things or two persons, then it is comparative degree. So while using this comparative degree, we have to use ER at the end of the sentence. ER. Compare. So ER. This thing you have to keep in mind. Next, so let us see superlative degree. A superlative degree is the comparison between more than two things. In comparative degree, we have compared only these two things. 1 and 2. Okay, between two things is comparative. Now I am comparing all these things with this pencil. So this is the tallest pencil among all these things in my hand. This is the tallest. You can observe. This is the tallest pencil than all these things. So tallest. It is super than all these things. Superlative. So tallest pencil than all these things. So here, while coming to persons, we can say Sita. While coming to persons, you can say Sita is the tallest girl in the class. In the whole class, nobody are taller than Sita. Only the girl who is taller is Sita. So Sita is the tallest girl in the class, in the whole class. So comparison, Sita is compared with the whole class. Okay, so here the comparison between more than two persons or things is called a superlative degree. Then here we can see here at the end of the sentence ST is it, ST, superlative, ST. So fastest, coldest. So if you want to compare degrees, if you want to write a degrees of comparison, we can write like this. This is positive degree, this is comparative degree, and this is superlative degree, fastest. Fast, no comparison, only the existence of the quality. Faster, comparison between two persons. Fastest, comparison between more than two persons. It is called superlative degree. So children, I hope you understood. Thank you.